Hello, my name is Stuart Downie, and I'm the climate change specialist with Perennia. And today we're going to look at the interactive soil survey maps in farm data tools. So the interactive soil survey map is a tool that takes data from the Nova Scotia soil surveys that were conducted in the 60s and 70s and beyond, and compiles it into an easy-to-use interactive web-based map. This tool can be very useful for making informed decisions on how best to use the land. It can inform you of what crops to grow and where to grow them, land management practices that would benefit specific areas, like a poorly draining soil could be implemented with tile drainage or could apply more organic matter. It can inform you about locations that might be susceptible to erosion. It can be used to inform landscape and building limitations, like soils that would be best for housing a pond or a barn or a shed. This can be great as a decision-making tool to reference before getting soil or soil health tests done. It can be great if you're considering changing or establishing new planting boundaries or new field, or if you're looking to install drainage. The biggest benefit of this tool is how easy it is to use. Before, you have to flip through soil survey books or scroll through digitized PDFs of those books online, referencing a map, and then finding a little, letter icon, and then scrolling through or flipping through to find the corresponding letter. Now all of this information is in one location and is easier than ever to navigate. It allows you to zoom into a high spatial resolution, much better than a document or even a PDF would allow. The tool can be very specific to the location that you're looking at, and even within one field, there can be multiple different types of soil, so you can customize and really zoom in on the locations that you want to learn more about. The interactive soil survey map is made to be accessible. It's made to make that soil survey information that was collected in Nova Scotia easy to access, and if you make a farm data tool account, it's free to use. Now let's take a look at the soil survey maps. So now that we're in the tool, you can see that the map pops up. And this map works like any online map that you're used to, like Google Maps. You can use the plus and minus in the top left corner to zoom in and out, or you can just use your scroll or your trackpad to zoom in like you would any other thing. And as you can see, the different soil types are indicated by different colors and different polygons that show up on the map. For an example, we'll zoom into Truro here at the Perennia building. So then when you navigate to the location that you're interested in, it can be zoomed in as far as you want or zoomed out. And then once you found the location that you're interested in, you can click. And once you click on the soil of interest and the pop-up shows, it tells you a bunch of different information about the soil type, the soil name, soil classification, and different characteristics like slope steepness, things like water table characteristics in that location based on that soil type, how the soil drains, the sand, silt, and clay content. And then from the information from that pop-up, you can gain even more information by scrolling up from the map and clicking on this link that says click here, and that will take you to the soils of Nova Scotia on the Government of Canada website. And by referencing the soil ID that is in that pop-up, so here as an example, we have the Woodville soil type near the Perennia building in Truro. If we go down from the Woodville, we see soil ID, and we can come to this Soils of Nova Scotia website, and we can reference that code. So OV5-A, we go here, OV5-A, and we can click on that soil type, and it will give us even more information. This is a great tool for anyone wanting to learn more about their soil. I really encourage anyone to give it a try.